Whatever you think is going to happen with the market, are you sure? Are you sure? This is what we call forecasting risk. Whatever the bad thing that you think is going to happen, that's going to make the whole market decline, and make everything the bottom fall out of the stock market, and you're going to lose all your money, and you want to be prepared for that. So you want more money or all your money on the sidelines. Are you sure? Right? So forecasting risk is when we think that, hey, we're here, market's really high, we think it's going to be down at some point. And so we're trying to like be prepared, do some things, make some changes, whatever else, because we know that so and so who's in office is going to do something that's going to can it, or this is going to happen with the economy, or hey, this happened before and it's going to happen next time. And what if, maybe you're right for a second, the market's coming down, and you're like, yeah, see, I was right. But what if it comes back? And what if what you think is going to happen never happens? Right or left, right? People get this wrong all the time. And you thought it was going to be here and you made changes and it ended up here. This is risk. That's forecasting risk. Right? And there's a famous quote that says, forecasting exists to make astrology look respectable. Anyone who's saying that this is going to happen in the future, they're wrong. Don't bet your full retirement and your life savings on that hunch. Instead, have a plan that can weather all storms, that's ready to go no matter what happens, and that is a better plan. If this has been helpful for you, subscribe and follow for more content like this.